process, I mean, it's been like a year-long process. The fitting process takes.
Yeah, it's been a while getting it to the perfect fit, and
Yeah.
making sure that the fabric is movable for when we have stunts and when we're fighting and everything. But yeah, it's definitely a process of getting dressed, and and I think the most important thing is making sure that we're comfortable in it. So that's what the fittings are about, making sure we get it to a point and a place where we're able to move and just be comfy.
Well, it's like a piece of technology. So there are like, you know, the 2.0 version, the 3.0 version, and with each version, it gets to the camera. It's always been cool, but it gets even better and better. And I think even our latest version is pretty awesome.